What's up everybody? This is day 3 of renovations on my small condo located in Fort Collins, Colorado. On this day, I'm bringing my good friend Sheldon. He does a ton of DIY projects around his own house, and I'm certain he's going to be a massive help. Whenever you're doing a project like this, it's important to get a second opinion, get a second pair of eyes on everything you're doing. So it's extremely valuable to have Sheldon walk through this unit. I told him everything I intended on doing, showed him the work and the progress I made already. He gave me his opinion, and he also encouraged me to do some additional work as well.
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl, what's your desire? 네 심장은 paradise.
So while Sheldon is working on this baseboard over here, I'm going to get started by doing the grout in this backsplash. I can do this whole wall here. That should take less than an hour. I can start letting that dry too. Whenever I do a backsplash, I always purchase the pre-mixed grout. It's a little more on the expensive side, but it goes on smoothly, and more importantly, it wipes off pretty easily too. If I were to be mixing this grout myself, it's leaving too much room for error, so I never really attempted it. So we made really good progress today. I was able to get grout done on all of this backsplash wall here. I was able to finish off laying the tile on this wall. Sheldon did a ton of work today as well. He did a lot of spot painting over here in the hallway, painted several doors, fresh coat of white, including baseboards that were really dirty and dingy before. Then his main project, which he finished, which I'm really appreciative of, was demolishing this fireplace. Must have took him about 2 hours, back-breaking labor. Everything came off nicely. I was able to go in with some drywall sheetrock repair, did some initial patchwork on that. I'll have to see how it dries tomorrow, see if I need to plug up any additional holes, but this does not need to be perfect in any way. Just has to be solid enough to hold on to mortar for the new face. That was everything for today. We're gonna get out of here and get some lunch. Sheldon put me at least 4 or 5 hours ahead with all the work he completed. At the end of the day, it's nice to come back home to a reunion, take a family walk around the neighborhood, around the lake, enjoy this awesome weather. What a great way to recharge for tomorrow.
Won't you call me when